Can
So,
I ask a question?
yeah, sure.
So when we're when we're wiping their face with the towel,
Hmm.
is there like a certain we could just I know you were explaining to just press it in the skin. Is there like a certain way we wipe it, or
So, to be honest with you, you're going to learn your own groove. Even what I
oh,
just
okay.
showed you with the folding, you may not want to keep doing that, and that's okay. A lot of estheticians take the towel in half, like this,
Hmm.
and then same technique. They wrap it around the skin, same thing that we just did. They press, and then they do this number where they take the towel, wrap it around their hand, like so,
Oh, I see
and
that.
then they wipe the same way.
Okay.
There's really no wrong way as long as it's relaxing. Now, if you get in there and you just start doing this, probably not the best thing to do, okay?
Okay.
But you
Okay.
can wrap your hand in the towel and just, but my preference is to either have the towel in half, keep it around the face, and start to wipe,
Okay.
like so, because that warmth of the steam continues to hit the face. I'm not really a fan of taking it off and then wipe because I'm like, I'm losing all that steam.